How to remove Microsoft OneDrive. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings app. Use shortcut key Window plus I to open Settings. Then go to Application from the left hand side menu and go to Installed app. At the top in the search box, simply type the word One and then you will find the option of Microsoft OneDrive. Click on the three dots beside its name, choose the option of Uninstall from the menu, and make sure before you click on Uninstall, all your information will be deleted if you delete Microsoft OneDrive. So that's it. Once you click on Uninstall and confirm it, you will be able to remove your Microsoft OneDrive. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.